Most people compare these AI avatar tools the wrong way. So we put HeyGen and Synthesia head-to-head with the exact same script. One is faster, the other looks more human. Stick around, I'll walk you through both step by step. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one makes sense for your business. Which would you trust more, speed or realism? Comment below. Welcome to AIChief. We make AI tools simple, clear, and practical. If you want one AI update a week that actually matters, join our free newsletter. Its link is in the description. Alright, let's start with HeyGen. HeyGen promises unlimited videos and super fast avatar creation. Let's see if it lives up to that. First, pick a template. You'll find over 50 templates for YouTube intros, LinkedIn explainers, even vertical ads. Next, choose an avatar. HeyGen now has more than 1,000, including transparent ones and even photo to avatar options. Then paste in your script. And don't worry, I'm using the same product intro we'll test in Synthesia in a moment. Now, pick your voice. There are over 170 languages and dialects. And if you want, you can even clone your own voice. Then hit generate. Watch the timer. Default avatars usually take 2 to 3 minutes. But if it's your own personal avatar, it can finish in under a minute.
Artificial intelligence is changing how we create content. With just a script, I can generate a video in minutes, complete with avatars, voices, and multiple languages. The big question is, which tool makes it look and sound more natural?
So yeah, the speed is impressive. Unlimited videos at $29 is hard to beat. The trade-off? Some voices sound a little robotic. Overall though, it's great for creators, ads, and fast multilingual content. Unlimited content at Netflix prices. But does it sound human enough for your brand? Let's test Synthesia next. Synthesia, on the other hand, is slower, but what you get feels much more human. Pick a template. These are more business-focused things like training or corporate comms. Choose an avatar. There are around 230, but each one looks more polished with natural gestures. Paste in the same script as before. Set the voice and language. Synthesia covers about 140 languages. Now hit generate. It usually takes around 4 minutes. Definitely slower than HeyGen.
Artificial intelligence is changing how we create content. With just a script, I can generate a video in minutes, complete with avatars, voices, and multiple languages. The big question is, which tool makes it look and sound more natural?
But the output? Smoother lip sync, better gestures, overall more lifelike. So here's the catch. The starter plan is also $18, but you only get 10 minutes of video per month. The creator plan bumps you to 30 minutes, but costs $64 a month. Bottom line, Synthesia is quality over quantity. Would you pay more for lifelike avatars, even if it means way fewer minutes? Alright, side by side, here's how they stack up. First up, speed. HeyGen takes this one. Personal avatars can render in under a minute. Now, realism. That's Synthesia's strength. The lip sync looks smoother. The gestures feel more natural. Languages? HeyGen has the edge. More than 175, plus it can clone your voice for translations. Synthesia's still strong with around 140. And pricing, this one's important. HeyGen's creator plan is $29 a month, and you can make unlimited videos up to 30 minutes each. But with its starter plan, you only get 10 minutes total. Speed versus realism, unlimited versus limited, who wins for you? So here's the rule of thumb. Use HeyGen if you're a creator, a marketer, or a small team that needs speed, unlimited output, and easy multilingual reach. Go with Synthesia if you're a company that needs the most lifelike avatars for training, learning and development, or internal comms, where trust really matters. Creators versus corporations, who's your pick? And quick caveat, avatars aren't for everything. Don't use them for sensitive announcements. Don't use them for heartfelt testimonials. And definitely not for sales pitches. People can tell. Stick to explainers, training, ads, and global localization. That's where they shine. 3 times you should never use AI avatars. Did you catch them all? So in 2025, here's my takeaway. HeyGen for marketing speed, Synthesia for corporate polish. If you want to keep up with AI tools without wasting hours, hit subscribe, and grab the free AIChief newsletter. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't buy either tool until you know which one fits your use case. Now you do.